This is the salad shooter. First, you have to put this in this thing, like that, right? So you get it in there. Then what you got to do is this top's got to go a little bit on an angle.
Then it clicks in.
And you slip it in and you pop it.
And that's it.
And Bob's your uncle.
And that's it.
I'll hold this part. You get it on. All right, don't forget to put that on, otherwise it won't work. All right, you ready? Here we go.
Wait.
Tell me when. I'm pressing this button
Okay.
right here. You see it says on? Here we go.
Let's see.
Wow, that was pretty good.
Okay, so
I gotta say, that was pretty good.
that doesn't make long ones, but it's certainly
Still,
fine.
that we could still eat it
Yeah,
like
that's
that.
certainly fine.
All right, that worked.
So
Now we gotta take it apart, right?
Yep.
So we gotta turn this really hard to the side, but I think we gotta take this off and this out first, like that. And then you can twist this. Oh, I thought, oh, there we go. All right, that's that. Bam, done. All right, you guys, 2 minutes and 24 seconds, and we got them.